Today I'm going to show you tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken is not that easy to replicate because they are typically made in this tandoor. So it's a very hot clay oven. And today I'm going to show you how we can replicate tandoori chicken at home. There are two parts to it. One is the marinade part, and the other part is how do we replicate a tandoor situation using a standard home oven. But first I want to introduce you to the chicken. Chicken here, I like to use bone-in, skin-on drumstick as well as thighs. And here, what I asked the butcher to do is actually help me score it. So they score here and score here. Nicely dried up. We have cumin, red chili powder, garam masala, and we use a lot of garlic ginger paste. And then we're going to use a lot of lime as well as yogurt. The yogurt will really massage it in and soften the chicken. Nice and fragrant. It's basically a garlic ginger masala paste. See, all these spices are balanced off by lime juice, onion, coriander. Now I'm going to divide this into half. The first marinade is all about the salt and the masala flavor that's going to go in. So I'm going to put quite a bit of salt and then some lime juice. So it's a very concentrated masala, sour plus salt flavor. This is the second marinade, which I'm going to put yogurt. So yogurt really helps to soften the chicken so it becomes nice and tender. I'm also again put the rest of the lime juice inside. So this is the second marinade with a lot of yogurt inside. All right, so now I'm going to add the chicken into the first marinade. So see, this is nicely scored. Really massage the flavor into the meat. We've let it sit in this very flavored, very potent marinade for about an hour. So the flavor has gone in. Now I'm going to put into the second marinade, and basically once it's in, we're going to let it sit overnight. Let the flavor seep in even more, but also the yogurt will let it help tenderize. So tandoori chicken is known for its succulent, flavorful meat, but outside is nicely charred and brown. I'm going to show you how to make that effect happen. So the way we do it is actually we bake them in a very low temperature, about 160 Celsius. That's about 320 Fahrenheit, 16 to 25 minutes, depending on how big the chicken is. After that's done, we turn the oven to the broiler function, which is the top heat coming down at the highest mode, and then we let the top to be nicely brown and charred. Looks delicious. Should I show you? It's nice and charred, and the inside it's succulent.